Hello, guys. So this is um, I'm just short of words because this is a great review that has been with me for some time, and I decided to share it with you all for those of us that have been wondering how to start our own paint manufacturer or what to do. This is one of my amazing students. He's a painter. He reached out to me so many years ago, and he wanted to learn how to manufacture paint. And right, this is it. He produced his own paint and he has been using it for his job. You understand? So don't get yourself confused and don't think on how you're going to start paint manufacturing, because I'm here to guide you and put you through on how you're going to start your own paint manufacturing from wherever you are in the world. Of course, you're going to listen to him what he said. You understand? So my advice is try to enroll for any of our paint courses and start producing your own paint. Like I said, anywhere you are in the world, you're going to learn from the best and become the greatest. So let's hear on what he has to say, and let's see the total outcome of his paint. All right.
So I want to use this medium to thank you very much, our able teacher and instructor on paint production. Thank you so much. The paint I produced, this is the job I just done. I just completed it. You can see how beautiful it is. Thank you. I'm sure you'll be proud of me. I also want to use this to say hello to my fellow colleagues. I know it's not easy. You do your best to see what you can do to also produce yours and do business with it. I will forever be grateful to our able coordinator and teacher. Thank you very much. I'm sure you've seen this right now. Let me also tell you, this is the 3D wall paper I installed before now. So the job is done and dusted. God bless you all. My teacher, God bless you. One love.